Hi, I'm Stephen Newbro with ARDEX Americas, based out of our headquarters here in Aliquippa, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to be looking at ARDEX DG1. DG stands for dispersion grout. And what that means is it is a single component grout with all of the ingredients suspended in an acrylic polymer. The reason why that's beneficial is because it makes the grout very, very easy to clean, and it also has excellent color consistency. So we'll be applying it on our small sample tile board right here. The tools that we're going to use in order to install ARDEX DG1 are a rubber grout float, a margin trowel to get the material out of the bucket, an ARDEX sponge, and a plastic scouring pad. These scouring pads are really nifty because they're able to remove grout haze without scratching up my tile. Last, we'll have a bucket with clean water and a terry cloth towel that we can use to remove any of the excess haze. So without further ado, we'll put some of the grout down. We have the black licorice color. As I said before, the nice thing about DG1 is that I am able to reseal the container and take it from job to job. So we had already done a backsplash with this grout. I still have material left over from that job, and I will use it for this demonstration here. The first thing I do is open the pail and then gently agitate the grout. I want to make sure that there's no film or moisture, or in other words, oil that comes to the surface and sits on top of that grout. After I agitate it, I will take it out of the pail and place it on my tile. In order to install the ARDEX DG1, once it's in place, we take our rubber grout float and we use the grout float to move the grout across the tile and pack it into our joints. The technique that we use here, we call it a snow plow. And what that means is we take our grout float and we hold it at a 45-degree angle, and like a truck in the winter, we drag it across the surface, pushing the grout across the tile, depositing grout in the joints. I'm going to do my edges all around the outsides of the installation. I'm not particularly concerned with how much grout gets on top of the tile because, as I said before, as a single component, it's very easy to clean. I can place the excess back in the pail and take it to the next job. And at this point, we can let the grout joints set. With ARDEX DG1, we would need a 10 to 15 minute cure time, so we'll wait 10 to 15 minutes. So we're back, and we have given our ARDEX DG1 grout 10 minutes to firm up in the tile joints. We can now begin the process of cleaning it from the face of the tile. Go across the surface and simply wipe away any residue. This is especially the case with cement-based joints, but with our single component grout, DG1, by cleaning any of the excess wash water, you're able to reveal the true color of the grout joints. Another thing that we noticed with the DG1 is that in some cases, the color doesn't look remarkably consistent or desired whenever it's in the pail. But by the time this grout completely cures and dries, it will be the true black licorice color, or whichever respective color you've selected. So now that I have cleaned my grout joints, I can allow DG1 to continue to cure, and in 2 to 3 days, I can put this grouted surface into full service. And that includes showers in high traffic areas. So this grouted surface is as clean as I'm going to get it. We have one last selling point about ARDEX DG1 that, in my opinion, as somebody who likes to make a mess, I think is a very, very cool feature. Though this is the blackest, darkest color that we make available, it's actually going to wipe away from your hands without leaving any stains or residues from the pigment. So I played with the grout a little bit and I got it on my hands. I can use that same wash water that I use to clean my tile. Same rag that I use to clean my tile. And I can get all of that DG1 with the darkest pigment available off of my hands. So again, the moral of the story here is that ARDEX DG1's claim to fame is that it is very, very simple and easy to use. Take it from job to job, scoop it out of the pail, snowplow it across the surface, clean it with a slightly damp sponge, and within about an hour you will have solid grout joints with more color uniformity than you can achieve out of a cement-based grout. So we appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Again, I'm Steven from ARDEX. If you have any other questions, feel free to call us in on our technical line or reach out to your local sales professional.